Hey everybody, this is Stewart of the Delaware Nature Society, and I'm out in the woods looking for bird nests. Finding bird nests and documenting their success and the types of plants that they are built in is a big part of our bird conservation program. But anybody with a bit of experience can go out and find bird nests, and you can do it very safely. You don't need to disturb the eggs or the nestlings, and it's a great way to teach yourself about what birds are found in different habitats. And all you really need is a bit of practice. So I am now standing in front of a perfectly normal looking bush with nothing unusual about it, but we are going to go behind the bush and see if there's anything surprising about it. So here I am inside the woods looking out, and you can now see that the catbird nest is very, very obvious above me, and yet this is the same nest that you couldn't have seen from the outside. And again, from the outside, a completely normal looking bush. But if you crouch down on the ground and go underneath, like this, there is the nest. It's a catbird. Box elders are good trees to look for bird nests in, especially the middle fork is a good place to look for robin nests. Here's a robin nest sitting right in the middle of this box elder.